Alright guys, now welcome back. In this video we are going to create our header here where we will place this our website text and this create this background here and give it some paddings and things like that. So first of all, let's go to our browser here and may start writing our markup, and let me just change this to HTML. Alright, now HTML, I just pasted in kind of structure tags into this browser, and I will just call it our website. Alright, and this title will show up over here, and I've just given it responsive website in the previous lesson, but let's just title it our website. Alright, so it looks and makes sense. Alright, so to make this header here, we need to open a tag. We need to open a tag header, and in here we need to say h1, and in here we could just say our website. Right, let's go ahead and save it, and I will go to desktop, and in the website folder, in this web folder, I will create a new file called index.html and save that. Let's go ahead to this website folder which is on the desktop, and inside this web I have this file now. Let's go ahead and open that, and you see this our website here, but it doesn't look very much. We need to actually go ahead and style it. So let's go ahead and do that. Open our text browser, and in this text editor, sorry, the text editor, not the browser. In this text editor we need to create a new file, and we will just save it. Inside this web folder I'm going to create a new folder called CSS. Okay, and I will save it in here as style.css. now click OK. So you see we have this CSS folder here now. Alright, so now we need to include this text here, align it to the center and give it some background here. Alright, to do that, here is our website. Okay, so to do that we need to select our header, but first let's go ahead and set all the margins and paddings to 0. So margin, well, wait, not left, margin 0, padding 0 as well. Alright, so that covers it. So header, and open the tags, and in here I would say font size, let's make it 2.5 EMs, and that will basically just give it some responsiveness. Okay, so the font size is 2.5, and the background is going to be, say, RGBA value, and that is 166.44.44.1. So what this basically is, that this value is a red, green, blue value, and an alpha, which is just similar to opacity. We could just say 0.1 or 0.9 or 1 or things like that, to increase or decrease the opacity here. And this is red value, green, and the blue. Alright, so let's go ahead and save it, refresh our page here, and nothing happens. Why? Because we are not including it this file in our header here. So to do that, let's go ahead and create a link tag and include it in our HTML page. So CSS is the folder and it was named as style.css. right? So this will include our CSS file. Save it, let's refresh again, and there we go. We have this text and the background, but now we need to change its color and bring it on in the center, and also we need to give it some paddings and things like that. Okay, so text align will be center, and color will be say white. Alright, let's go ahead and see how it looks now. Alright, looking good, but we need to give it some padding. Padding, oh, not the 440 pixels. Okay, and that looks much better. Okay, now let's go ahead and actually I wanted to appeal even more, and to do that I will just give it some shadow here. So text and shadow, I will give it 2 pixels, 5 pixels of blurring, and the color would be RGBA, and it is going to be black, so 0, 0, 0 and 1. So save that, and there we go. There is our text shadow here. Now it's looking much better than before we had it in the start. So this is it for this tutorial. In the next video we are going to create our navigation here. As you see it in here, we will create our navigation, and also we will go and create this markup later on. Alright, so see you in the next movie.